mother brought him here. So they got all this thing that is circulating hair into the kitchen, because when we are cooking, the kitchen always gets wet with the evaporate with the heat of the boiled water or boiled anything boiled. Then it always cause all this we call it humidity. I don't know what you guys are calling it in English language. So my husband got that hire someone to come and fix something portable, very very beautiful, and which is you guys will see the video. So they have done working on it and everything. So I have to go and clean it, because after working on it, so when he was working on it, there was a little bit of dust from up here, because they put hope. They cannot fall. They put hope here. This part. So you guys will not be seeing me. So I just have to clean it a little bit. I have to put everything up. Did you see this part?